Everyone say Smoke Free 2024 and then dab. Come over, dab. We need to dab.
Smoke Free 2024!
Woo! Hello, my name is Courtney Dawson and I am here in the beautiful Mayfair Theatre in Dunedin. We're here to see the 2024 Smokefreerockquest Regional Finals for Otago. Let's go and listen to some of these sweet, sweet bands. All go, it's all on. The audience are inside. I am downstairs in the backstage. I'm gonna go and talk to some of the bands and see how they're feeling. I am here chilling with Sunspot. How's it going, guys?
Pretty good.
Any nerves going on?
A healthy amount.
Feel great. Yeah, I feel good.
You guys don't look very nervous.
Yeah, it's because we're dressed up, you know. It's not just a suit, it's a mentality, you know.
You guys seem very chill. What's the secret to being so chill?
We're heavy performers.
You're also giving kind of security vibes as well.
That's kind of the point. You might see later as to why. Under wraps. It's under wraps.
Okay. I do have one question though. Is that earpiece connected to anything?
Yes. It's connected to a dead radio.
You guys can ask me one truth or dare and I'll do it.
Do something embarrassing.
Landline rocks! Sorry. What's your like cool bass stance that you do?
It's just on the floor, you know?
Do you have any other secret talents?
This guy can quack.
You guys are a big band, but I want to see if you can do one dance move synchronized.
Oh.
Never seen this one before.
Hey, disco. If you were going to do a dance move, what would it be?
Step taps.
How do you do step tap? Step tap, step tap.
Doodle.
Already seen some incredible bands. Let's get backstage and see what they thought about the night. And I was so honored to finally see the big reveal.
The big reveal. That's right here. Here it is. That's right. We got the kazoo.
It was buzzing out there. The crowd was fizzing. It was so much fun. We had some friends come down. They were just, you know, let's go, very supportive.
Did the suits work?
Definitely. For sure, yeah.
Like, can you give me a good thrash metal like move? Like, what are you doing on stage? Yes. Yeah. If your band was a mythical creature, what would the creature be?
We're like a dragon.
Hydra.
We'll do 5 heads for each of us.
What is 3 things that you could do that is better than vaping?
Good pizza.
Making music.
Meditating.
3 things that you can do that is better than vaping.
I hate vaping.
Vaping, not cool, man. And that's it. That's done. A new finalist has been crowned for the Otago Regional Finals of the Smokefreerockquest 2024. I saw some great bands, I had some great chats, and if you want to see more of what the Rockquest has to offer, then just check out the next episode of On the Road. For my dear.